12 noon. I just finished getting ready. I'm in love with scrunchies right now. They are my favorite thing. I am tidying up a bit because obviously tonight is when everyone, well, my sisters are coming over. I'm gonna go head to the airport and pick up Aaron, my brother-in-law, Amy Lee's husband. We're gonna run a few errands, then I gotta finish cleaning up here and getting everything ready for dinner, and then I'm gonna start, which I haven't decided whether I'm gonna include the recipe in the vlog or if I'm gonna make a separate video, because this is like so good. I taught this morning and then I actually just had to go to the store and grab a few last things. So I started the vlog a little late. That is okay. I will take you along on this awesome day, and then tomorrow we're going to the cottage. Woohoo! Best day ever. I'm back from picking up. Hello, Aaron. The other day, Andrew was like, why don't you call him your brother-in-law? Why do you always call him Aaron? But you're my brother. This is my brother-in-law.
Fam.
And Aaron and Amy Lee's husband.
Fam.
All the different names. Anyways, we are going to pick up some tables. I'm gonna finish tidying this place up. Maybe eat, because I'm actually getting a little bit hungry now.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry too.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat salads though, for sure.
Salads, super healthy. Just lettuce and no dressing.
No dressing.
That'd be so creepy.
That's bad. But I was saying they should
No, it's true. I
think
think they did notify us.
Okay, that's good.
There's somebody painting.
What if you're just like, you know, in the shower?
It's no, that is true actually, because I didn't know what time.
You probably wouldn't notice.
Andrew would not notice if somebody was just, our building is being painted, but it was supposed to be painted like months ago and they're finally painting it now. Anyways, Aaron and I are home. I'm cleaning up, getting ready for the party. I get to take this down because I'm not teaching for a whole week. So happy. Walter's got his buddy. Walter loves Aaron.
We bros.
The bros. Actually, Aaron was Walter's first babysitter.
So true. He peed all over my
He
house.
peed all over
My apartment.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean up a bit and then I'm gonna start cooking the dinner. I'm excited. It's gotta simmer for a long time. Very good. Okay, so I put together the soup, but I didn't film any of it. I'll show you what it looks like. It is simmering. So that's what it looks like. I gotta scrape the bubbles off, but it smells really good. Now for toppings, we do green onions, pickled mustard greens, and cilantro. I'm gonna cut this up now. Oh my goodness, I did not know that green onions make you cry. That is so bad. I gotta put my face over the air conditioning. Oh. Wow, that was like intense. That has never happened to me before. Okay, so while that stuff is cooking and simmering, this looks a little crazy, but I think it's still kind of cute. This is my little dinner party setup. So we have the bowls and this. It's kind of crazy patterns, but in a way I love it. I know this is not the right plate that goes under there, but the other ones are just way too big for the table and for what we needed. Oh, I'm missing chopsticks there. Yeah, so we kind of had to do this like makeshift thing, and I'm missing 2 chairs. And I finally took down my thing. I'm so happy. So I'll light some candles and we'll use that to put some of the stuff. I think it's gonna be really cute and really fun. I'm so excited. I love doing this stuff, and I'm just happy that Aaron's here and that, you know, Natalie and Jordan can come. I don't know, makes my heart so happy. But my hands smell like cilantro and it's disgusting. Tell the camera what you just said.
I think the broth is perfect.
Wait, there's the beef in there too.
What beef?
Oh, you mean like the soup is perfect. Oh, I thought you were saying that's just the broth. I was like, there's the meat in there too. Success. Success. Hallelujah. I'm so happy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come here. We're coming. our dinner party. We have our beef noodle soup, which is not garnished yet.
Myself.
Some
Like
pot
some guy tries to mug
stickers.
you, whatever. Some guy wants to do something you get fresh. Like, I'd like to know how to like.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Excuse me. Oh, Walter,
Like you know.
get out of here.
You know, you guys together and someone goes a step further. Like you know, I'd like to know.
I'm taking boxing.
There you go, but. That's
In the train now because they closed down half the platform.
When I picked him up today, I was just like, oh, that guy's just gonna merge on in, and he was like, yeah, people just don't care. They just want to get home. There was no room. I was driving. He's just like,
Yeah,
force his way in.
it's even worse at.
Let's see what answer she chose. And what are the most popular answers?
That one.
Whoa! No Grata.
Brachiosaurus is an English.
And the winner is Brontosaurus. All right.
I won?
Whoa!
I
I won.
Big
Wow.
leap.
Seriously.
I won.
Oh, you were watching me.
I give moment of truth. The first prompt is
Sorry.
a great thing for a parent to say to scare their child's prom date. Okay.
Unwanted face.
Pregnant.
Good. Tonight was a success. I am exhausted. I am going to go to bed right now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you again tomorrow for VEDA Day 3. Good night.